In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the template on your Wix website step by step and make sure your website truly reflects your unique style and needs for 2025. Let's dive into this process and keep things as straightforward and clear as possible. First, the journey begins by heading over to Wix.com. This is your starting point for all things Wix related. Once you're there, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click it, enter your credentials, and you'll find yourself on your dashboard, the command center for everything you need to manage your sites. Next, it's time to create a new site. On your dashboard, you will see a button labeled plus Create New Site. Give it a click. Wix will then prompt you to select the type of website you want to build. Consider what best describes your intention, be it a business site, a store, a portfolio, or something else. This step is crucial as it tailor fits the features to your needs, so choose the one that complements your concept. Now let's move on to picking your new template. Wix offers an extensive library of templates to choose from, each catering to different tastes and functionalities. Take your time browsing through the options available. Once you find a template that resonates with your vision, click Edit on that template. This action takes you straight into the Wix editor with your new design in place. After choosing your template, you'll need to roll up your sleeves and transfer content from your old site to the new one. Unfortunately, Wix does not support an automatic transfer of design elements, so this is a manual task. You'll be copying over your text, images, galleries, products if you're running a store, as well as forms and buttons. Also, don't forget to recreate menus, pages, and layout sections in your new template to maintain your user's navigation experience. Following that, setting up the right settings and integrations is essential. Each page on your site should have SEO settings configured to enhance search engine visibility. Additionally, connect your favorite apps and payment gateways, ensuring forms are up and running. For those of you with a premium plan, you'll also be able to set up your domains. Connect your existing domain to keep things professional and polished. Once your site content and settings are in place, it's crucial to preview and test to make sure everything looks and works as expected. Click Preview to check out your site. Test the navigation menus, links, and buttons. If you have forms or a checkout path, give those a whirl as well. Equally important is checking mobile responsiveness because so many users will access your site from various devices.